Hey, what's up? Inside the chicken coop here, getting things wrapped up. I want to show you the chicken guard that I bought. So here's the opening I made into the chicken coop. And here's the kit we bought. It's the chicken guard door kit. So really all you get is you get these two pieces of oak, which are really nice oak though, with the rails. You get these two pieces of oak and you get the slider. It's about 54 bucks. I put some stain on the oak sliders. They recommend staining it. It's gonna last, they say last 10 years if you stain it. So we stain these, some polyurethane stain, and there it is there. So we're gonna install this right now, put it on the opening in the chicken coop. There it is, the chicken guard installed. We'll put a pulley up here at the top and run it through the side so you can manually do it without coming in the chicken coop. We used a paracord here. Just bought some paracord by the linear foot and tied it to the top here. But when you install it, you want to put one rail in first and then set the gate on there and then set the next one and leave yourself a little bit of room, maybe like a 1/16 inch of space. You want it to be a little loose in there, so it rides freely. But it can't ever come out. Won't ever come out, so. So I installed these eye hooks. The one right here, this is the stopper. And then installed an eye hook here, put this one vertical, used a keychain ring. And then I bought this pulley wheel, hung it from here. So you can pull that. I think I'm gonna run it out the side here so I can access it from outside.